Hi everyone! For this project you will need an embroidery card pattern that you can download from resource section, some watercolors, pencils and other materials that you wish to use for your card. You can download the pattern from the resource sections and we will use a running stitch to decorate the card. I will also be using 6-strand thread to make the stitches. I have already started to work on the pattern because, as you will see, it is very repetitive and it will be fairly easy for you to continue when you will see how I have started to work. Please pull thread gently on the corners of the paper because paper tears are fairly easy if you are not careful how you begin. I really like working with running stitch because this process is quite meditative for me. You just go slowly, stitch per stitch, and then you see how your pattern is growing. This is also reminding me of sashiko technique that I really like, and I hope to do a tutorial on it one day. I recommend that you look at your pattern often so you can match the lines and the holes. As I was working, I noticed that I have missed one of the holes, so my lines go a little bit differently than it is on the pattern. I decided to improvise and work ahead and see how it will finish up. Because I missed one of the holes, I need to make an extra hole with my sharp needle. We need to finish this running stitch so it will look perfect. I like to start and finish my threads with masking tape because in that case I don't get any bumps on my bottom side of the paper. Here we will start working on our last swirl. Please be careful how you pull the thread on the beginning of the paper because it really does tear very fast. Believe me, I speak this from experience. I really like how this last swirl fills the surface and gives a nice final touch to our small flowers pattern. Congratulations! Your beautiful embroidery card with small flowers and swirls is finished. In the end, I would just like to share with you more ideas how you can personalize your embroidery card. You can draw a flower of your own choice, you can add more swirls or less swirls, and use longer and shorter stitches when you make the swirls. And remember, have fun creating. And please share with us your final results because I can't wait to see where your own creativity took you.